When things feel busy or chaotic, sometimes simplicity is all you need. This recipe is all about keeping things uncomplicated. Simple ingredients, clean flavors, and the satisfaction of a meal that's easy yet fulfilling. Let's get to it. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn simple chicken drumsticks into a crispy, juicy, flavor-packed meal. Chicken drumsticks are not only a budget-friendly protein, but they're also incredibly versatile. This variation involves roasting the chicken that is basted with a seasoning marinade to give it amazing flavor and outer crispy texture while keeping the inside nice and juicy. If you've seen my ground beef bulgogi video, you know I love quick and tasty recipes. This one's just as fast and perfect for those busy weekdays when you need something delicious in a pinch with just a few ingredients. Just like in life, sometimes the simplest things bring the most comfort. I have here a pack of chicken drumsticks bought at the grocery store, a little over 2 pounds worth. We're going to line some baking trays with some aluminum foil to make cleanup easier. Next, grab a baking wire rack and place it on top of the tray. The rack is a key component here as it elevates the chicken from the bottom surface, allowing the heat to circulate around it, giving it that lovely crispy texture and helping it roast evenly. The foil will help catch any oil and juices that drips off the chicken, preventing any grease buildup on the bottom of the chicken. Now for the chicken drumsticks. Arrange them on the rack, making sure to leave space between each piece. This helps them roast properly without sticking together. I'm using 2 trays here so I can make sure each drumstick gets enough space to cook evenly. Let's get to the seasoning marinade. This is where all the flavor magic happens. In a bowl, you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a pinch of chili powder, more if you want it more spicy, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix it around and then add 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Mix it all together until you get a smooth and thick consistency. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit on convection bake. If you don't have convection, you can set the oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I hope you like painting because we're going to be adding some brush strokes of color and flavor to our chicken. Take your basting brush and start applying that seasoning marinade onto the drumsticks. Make sure to coat them well. When you're finished one side, flip the drumsticks over and continue to paint them with the seasoning marinade. If you find the marinade is getting too thick, just add a little more canola oil to loosen it up. After basting, it should look like this. Once that's done, before we put these in the oven, here's a little tip. Add some water to the bottom of the baking tray. This will help prevent excessive smoking, burning, and keep the chicken nice and juicy while it bakes. When the oven is ready, pop those drumsticks into the oven and set a timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the drumsticks out and flip them over. As we flip the chicken over, a quick reminder if you're enjoying the video so far, here's all the things you can click on to follow me. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Your support truly makes a difference. Pop them back into the oven for another 25 minutes. The total cooking time is around 40 minutes. If you're good at being efficient, you can also prepare some cauliflower to be roasted at the same time, solving 2 food groups in one go. Link to that recipe in the top corner. After 25 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to relax and distribute evenly through the meat. You're looking to have the drumsticks with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 40 minutes it should have made that mark easily, but you can always use a meat thermometer if you really want to make sure. The great thing about drumsticks and dark meat in general is that they're a bit more forgiving when it comes to timing and temperature, so you don't have to worry about drying them out or making them tough. Alright, let's plate these, and now the taste test. This is great. It's juicy inside, I love the reddish brown exterior, and the skin is crisp with a hint of smokiness and spice. And there you have it, baked chicken drumsticks. Simple, clean, and full of flavor. Just like a good song, this meal will leave you satisfied and craving more. I hope you learned a quick and simple way to roast some chicken drumsticks. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below, or just let me know if you're a fan of Utada Hikaru. Next time, we can look into creating a larger marinade that we can submerge our meat overnight and create more intense flavors and tenderness. We've done chicken breasts and drumsticks today, so maybe it's time for some thighs in the future. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.